Today was one of those really pretty, cool, fall, crisp days. After a warm shower, your skin starts to feel tight. And for those of us that are over 50, particularly those of us that have gone through menopause, we feel that dryness to our skin almost immediately when the heat kicks on. A few years ago, I developed a product called Divine Skin Hydrator to combat that dryness. When we go through menopause, we lose the ability to hold water in our skin. It's something called a natural moisture factor. And when our estrogen tanks, so does that moisture factor. Divine has the components in it to help hold that water in your skin. So right when you come out of your shower, shake the excess water off, run the Divine up and down your arms and your legs. We did a survey last year and 78% of the people still were hydrated 24 hours later. That's really remarkable number. One of the ladies in Florida that uses our product said, I've tried hundreds and hundreds of products and this is really the one that does what it says. We think you'll find those results also.